Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by heating abundant salted water so the pasta cooks evenly. Salt seasons the starch. Once boiling, add 8 oz pasta and set a timer for 2 minutes less than package time. While pasta cooks, grate 1 cup cheese and prepare 2 tablespoons butter and smashed garlic so everything is at hand. This prevents overcooking. Make sure to reserve 1 cup of starchy pasta water before you drain. That liquid is key to turning simple ingredients into a creamy sauce. You now make the sauce on gentle heat so dairy doesn't split. Melt butter, sweat garlic briefly so it perfumes without bitterness, then add 1/2 cup cream, or, for a lighter result, combine 1/2 cup reserved pasta water with 1/4 cup milk. This uses starch to thicken. Once the liquid simmers, remove from heat and add grated cheese gradually, stirring constantly to form a glossy emulsion. If the sauce tightens, whisk in more starchy water 1 tablespoon at a time, until the texture. You finish by combining drained, hot pasta straight into the sauce and tossing off heat for 30 to 60 seconds so the starch binds the emulsion. This is why you reserved water. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt, cracked pepper, or a little lemon zest for brightness, then garnish. If the sauce splits or seems greasy, don't panic. Whisk in 1 tablespoon warm pasta water or 1 teaspoon cream gradually until the sauce comes back together. Serve immediately so texture stays creamy and fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.